Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install apps on a Mac. Let's begin. There are two main ways to install apps, from the Mac App Store or by downloading them directly from a website. First, let's start with the Mac App Store. Open the App Store from your Dock or Applications folder. Browse or search for the app you want. Click Get or the Price button, then enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID. The app will download and install automatically, and you'll find it in your Applications folder. Now for apps from a website. Go to the app's official website and download the installer file, usually a .dmg file. Once it's downloaded, double-click the file to open it. Drag the app icon into the Applications folder shortcut that appears. After that, eject the installer from Finder by clicking the eject icon, and you can delete the .dmg file to save space. Finally, open the app from your Applications folder or Launchpad. The first time you open it, macOS might ask you to confirm it's safe since it's from the internet. Just click Open. And that's it! That's how you install apps on a Mac. Thanks for watching.